Okay, here we are under the driver's side dash. We're going to look at the wiring for the pedals. So there is a little brake light switch right there that, oh boy, it's hard to see, that when the pedal is depressed, releases the pressure off the brake. So it's a reverse switch, so it's got to be in the closed position this way. And then so anyways, there's two screws and it's mounted like that. The wire, you can see, follows up along up to here. So we'll take that off and label it. There are some flashers and some relays here. I'm not sure yet what those are for. 4-ways probably, that were mounted up on that piece of vinyl somehow, as far as I can tell. So we got to get that off. So we need to disconnect the clutch pedal cable, and before I do that, I will label it. But that is how that goes, the wiring for that switch.